friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see few basic German phrases and some basic German questions. So this is very important topic because these phrases are very useful in day-to-day conversations or day-to-day talking. So we'll start with phrases. Now first we'll say greetings and polite German sentences. So first one is hello. Hello meaning hello. Hall, hello meaning hello. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen is good morning because Morgen is morning. So it is like good morning. Guten Morgen. Guten Tag meaning good day. Tag is day. So all together it becomes good day. Guten Tag. Guten Abend. Abend is evening. So it is like good evening. Then comes night, good night. For good night, it will be gute Nacht and not guten Nacht. Okay, that N after gute, you don't have to write it. You don't have to spell it. It is just gute Nacht. So you have to remember because little bit difference is there. Then suppose you want to ask someone, how are you? It will be we gets in a short form. Otherwise, we gets dear in informal way or formal way we gets innen. That is also correct. So these are the different ways of asking someone how are you. Then comes Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung meaning it has two meanings. One is excuse me and the other one is I'm sorry. Entschuldigung. One phrase with different meanings. Then Danke. Danke is thank you. Bitte. Bitte meaning please also or you are welcome also. Again, one phrase with two meanings. Okay, if someone says thank you to you, danke, then you have to say bitte, meaning you are welcome. Then Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen meaning goodbye in a formal way. Okay, Wiedersehen is actually see you again. Wieder is again. And Sehen is to see, it's a verb. So all together it becomes goodbye in a formal way. Then choose. Choose meaning buy only, but in informal way. Choose. Then bis später. Bis später meaning see you later. Später is actually later. So it becomes see you later. Bis später. Now, if you want to make new friends, so how will you talk to them? How will you introduce to them yourself? That we'll see now. Suppose someone's name is Sarah. So she will say, Ich bin Sarah, or Ich heiße Sarah, or mein Name ist Sarah. Ich bin Sarah means I am Sarah. Ich heiße Sarah meaning I am called as Sarah. And my Name is Sarah meaning my name is Sarah. So same thing we are repeating but in different ways. Now you will ask the other person or Sarah will ask to other person that how are you? It is like we just now we have seen that we gets. Okay. Then if suppose she wants to get his or her name, she will ask we heißt du? What are you called as? Or we is the Name, meaning what is your name? So this is the way of asking someone's name. Then you can say freut mich dich kennenzulernen. Okay, meaning nice to meet you. Kennenzulernen is actually to know you. So if you want to say nice to meet you or nice to know you, you will say freut mich dich kennenzulernen, meaning I'm glad or nice to meet you, nice to know you. So these are the basic phrases or introduction, you can say. Now we'll see very basic German questions. So first one is, wo wohnst du? Suppose now you know that person's name. You will ask, wo wohnst du? Meaning, where do you live? Where do you stay? Then suppose that person will say, ich wohne in Berlin. Okay. Suppose he or she stays in Berlin. That person will say, Ich wohne in Berlin. Then that person may ask you, woher kommst du? Meaning, from where are you coming? Kommst du? To come. So you will say, Ich komme aus Indien. Meaning, I come from India. Ich komme aus Indien. I come from India. Then, suppose you can ask, or that person can ask you this question, we are Bisdu. Suppose you want, you can ask, or you can skip this. We are Bisdu meaning, how old are you? So suppose, let's say Sarah. Sarah is 25 years old. Then she will say, Ich bin 25 Jahre alt. Okay? 25 meaning 25. Jahre is years. And alt is old. So it is like, Ich bin 25 Jahre alt. I am 25 years old. Then she might ask that other person also, we are bist du? How old are you? Then the next question will be, welche Sprachen sprichst du? Meaning, which languages? Sprachen is languages. Sprache is language, singular. And for plural, it will be Sprachen. Meaning, which languages do you speak? If somebody asks you, then you can tell, Ich spreche English und Hindi. Meaning, I speak English and Hindi. Ich spreche. I speak English and Hindi. For English in German, it is English. The pronunciation will be English. Then the next question will be, if suppose somebody asks you, sprichst du Deutsch? Meaning, do you speak German? Sprichst du Deutsch? Then you can say, ja, ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch. Meaning, yes, I speak little bit German. Ein bisschen meaning little bit. And Deutsch, German. So these are the basic German questions, you can say. So in today's video, we have seen some basic German phrases, how to introduce yourself, and then we have seen some basic German questions. So that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.